Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best silicone macaroon baking mat is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for any home baker looking to achieve professional-looking macarons with ease, ensuring consistent size and shape every time, which is crucial for that perfect bake and delightful presentation that will impress your friends and family. Number 5. Angadona Macaron Silicone Baking Mats Kit. Tired of scrubbing burnt sugar and sticky dough? Our non-stick silicone mats may clean up a breeze. Simply rinse or toss them in the dishwasher for a spotless finish, saving you time and preventing messy ovens. Achieve perfect, evenly baked goods every time. These mats distribute heat consistently, eliminating burnt or underbaked spots. Use the guidelines to create uniform macarons and cookies with professional results. Reduce calories and avoid harmful substances from cooking oils. Our food-grade silicone mats eliminate the need for sprays and grease, allowing you to create delicious, fat-free meals while keeping your family healthy. From sticky caramels to baked fish, the possibilities are endless. These durable, tear-resistant mats can handle various baking tasks and even dough rolling. They are designed for thousands of uses in extreme temperatures. Surprise the baker in your life with this premium kit. It includes everything needed for macaron making and more, making it an ideal gift for any occasion, from weddings to holidays. Stop buying expensive parchment paper. These reusable silicone mats are an eco-friendly and cost-effective alternative, saving you money while reducing waste. What we like. This set comes with everything you need to get started, including piping tips and bags. If you're looking for a comprehensive kit that makes cleanup a breeze and helps you achieve professional-looking results every time, this is the one for you. It's perfect for beginners who want to dive into macaron making with all the tools at their fingertips. What people say. Non-stick, easy to clean, non-slip. Perfect if you are an avid baker or a beginner. The printed circles make it simple to pipe perfectly sized macarons. They are great for cooking and baking, offering a non-stick surface without the use of additional oils in cooking. Number 4. Silicone Baking Mat Set. Tired of constantly buying parchment paper or foil? Our reusable baking mats are the perfect solution. Save money, save time, and help the environment by reducing waste. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze with these mats. They are super easy to wipe clean or can be tossed right into the dishwasher. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your treats. You can trust our mats for safe baking. Made from 100% food-grade silicone with a fiberglass core, they are non-toxic, BPA-free, and won't impart any chemical taste or odor to your food. Experience the convenience of a non-stick surface. Your baked goods will slide right off, making removal effortless. Plus, they are oven, microwave, and freezer safe for all your culinary needs. We stand by our product with a 3-year extended warranty. If you're not completely satisfied, we offer a full refund or replacement. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase. This set includes multiple sizes to fit all your baking pans. From macarons to cookies, pies to bacon, these versatile mats are perfect for any baking task. What we like. This set offers a fantastic variety of sizes, including quarter and round mats, making it incredibly versatile for all your baking needs. If you're looking to replace disposable parchment paper, save money, and ensure a safe, non-toxic baking surface, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for bakers who appreciate flexibility and long-term value. What people say. They are perfect and keep the bottoms of my baked goods from getting too dark or sticking. The mats are very easy to clean. Food slides right off or easily wipes off. They protect my baking sheets well and don't leave a smell of taste on my food. Number 3. Silicone Baking Mat 3-Pack. Introducing our set of silicone baking mats, designed to withstand temperatures up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. For best results, always use them with a baking tray. These versatile mats are perfect for baking, roasting, and everyday food preparation. They ensure even heat distribution for consistently delicious results. Enjoy baking without the mess. Our non-stick mats eliminate the need for oil, sprays, or parchment paper, making cleanup a breeze. They are also dishwasher safe. The non-slip surface keeps your dough in place, while the durable construction ensures these mats are built for long-term, reusable use. This set includes 2 large mats measuring 16.53 by 11.61 inches and 1 smaller mat measuring 11.81 by 8.26 inches. Each mat is 0.7 millimeters thick for optimal performance. What we like. With its impressive heat resistance up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, this mat ensures even baking and roasting every time. If you prioritize a non-stick surface that requires no oil or sprays and is dishwasher safe for ultimate convenience, this is the product for you. It's perfect for everyday baking and roasting where consistent results are key. What people say. They're easy to clean, stay in place, and protect surfaces really well. Nothing sticks to the surface, so a quick wash and rinse after every use is terrific. These mats were such a great addition to our kitchen. They clean so easily and keep food from sticking to them or the pans. They are thick and sturdy and easy to store in the drawer with the pans. Number 2. Silicone Baking Mat Set of 3. Cleaning up after baking is a breeze. Simply wipe it down with warm water and soap, or pop it in the dishwasher for ultimate convenience. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade silicone, this baking essential is safe for use in your oven, microwave, and freezer. It's built to last and withstand extreme temperatures. Enjoy perfectly baked goods every time. Its exceptional non-stick surface ensures easy release of your creations without any extra grease, making your baking healthier. This isn't just for baking cookies and cakes. Use it to make candies and chocolates, or even as a stable surface for your kitchen prep work. It keeps ingredients in place. This set comes with 3 mats, including 2 larger ones and 1 smaller one. You'll have the perfect size for all your baking projects. What we like. Crafted from premium food-grade silicone, this mat offers exceptional non-stick performance and versatility for everything from baking to candy making. If you appreciate a reliable, durable surface that's easy to clean and comes in multiple sizes to suit different needs, this set is a great option. It's ideal for those who enjoy a variety of baking projects and want a high-quality, safe material. What people say. It serves a dual purpose. It makes inserting and removing the bread from a hot Dutch oven super easy, and it also helps keep your bottom crust from getting too hard or too dark. They're sturdy and definitely keep the loaf in place. They're easy to clean, and for the price, you can't beat them. They clean easily and are easy to store. They are a good thickness, better than parchment paper. Number 1. 2026 Thickness Upgrade Silicone Baking Mat. Experience superior baking with our upgraded silicone mat. It's crafted from 100% food-grade silicone and features an enhanced 0.7 mm thickness for durability. Say goodbye to flour dusting. This non-stick surface ensures easy release of dough and baked goods. Cleanup is a breeze, and it stores compactly when rolled or folded. Bake with confidence thanks to the non-slip bottom. It firmly grips your countertop, preventing any slipping or wrinkling during use. This versatile mat is more than just a surface. It includes helpful measurement, proportioning, and temperature conversion charts. It's your all-in-one baking assistant. Before you begin creating delicious treats, please remember to remove the transparent outer film from the packaging. Then, you're all set to bake. What we like. This extra thick mat features a non-slip base that stays put on your countertop, making it perfect for rolling dough or kneading. If you're looking for a large, multifunctional mat with built-in measurement and conversion charts for precision baking, this is the one. It's especially suited for tasks like making pizza, pies, or sourdough where stability and accuracy are crucial. What people say. It grips my bowl while I'm mixing and doing stretch and folds. I sprinkle a little water to press it and it becomes slippery and a great dough surface. It is very sturdy. It is thick. It rolls up easily for storage and cleans easily. It has a very nice layout for measuring exactly how large you want it to be. It rolls up nice and easy for storage and is so easy to use. Good quality non-slip baking mat that makes handing dough and countertop cleanup very easy. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.